This is the new GasTracker receiver that will be released in March or April 2011 this year. And so we'll just look a little bit around all the different things that have been changed. First of all, you can see on this listening device that we now have a military connection to avoid problems due to humidity and everything. So this military connection will be a lot more reliable. So like on any other machines using this thing, it's very simple to connect and very strong also. So basically the listening device in itself has not changed. It's still the same, but the military connection is now added to be a little bit more reliable. And this is the new receiver in itself, which is a lot more simple to use because as you can see here, you have the prelocate mode, the pinpoint mode, and changing the gain. So if you look carefully, you can see at the top of it two buttons, on and off. So when you start pushing the on button, it automatically switched to the start menu, start screen, and you can see the level of battery here automatically on the first screen. And let's start like on a normal measurement campaign with prelocate mode. If you push on prelocate mode, it directly goes to prelocate gain 1, so it's directly working. Okay, so it can hear any sounds. If at this moment you choose to go to pinpoint mode, you just push on pinpoint and it automatically makes a calculation during 12 seconds of the signal, like on the previous unit. Okay, so here you have 1%, so it's pinpoint gain 1, the level of signal is 1%, and the previous values are, for the moment, 0, 0, 0, 0, okay? Now, the biggest improvement of this new receiver is the gain button. If you push on gain button, you automatically switch to the other gain. So if you push now, gain changed, receiver is now in gain 10. And if you push on pinpoint, you just go back to pinpoint mode. So it's now a lot more simple to use because it's just one button is one function. So you have pinpoint, prelocate, and gain. Now in pinpoint gain 10, you see the level of signal is 4%. If you push again on gain, you go back to gain 1. If you push again, gain 10, gain 1. So now we push on prelocate and we go back to prelocate. So it's a very simple new tool. The design is a little bit better also. You have this plastic layer around the receiver to avoid, if it falls on the ground, to avoid breaking it. And actually the only difference will be the screen. This screen, which is still the same screen, but it will be a new one, a little bit better, and the batteries changed also for a better autonomy, which is now around 7 or 8 hours of working. So well, it will be also for our after-sales service. It will be also a little bit more simple to open, because as you can see, you just have 4 screws or maybe 6, and you can directly open the receiver, which was a little bit difficult on the first version. It was a little bit more difficult to open. So well, hopefully this new unit will be a lot more appreciated by our customers, and well, that's all for the moment.